Dear students, today we are going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram under the topic measurements. Area. Area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeters, square feet, square inches, etc. Examples. Now let us see some squares, how to find the area of these squares. First look at the first diagram. There is a single square with side 1 centimeter. So how to find the area of the square? Area of the square is nothing but side into side. Therefore, area of the square will be equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 centimeter square. Similarly, you can look at the second, third and fourth diagram. Second diagram consists of 4 squares. Therefore, the area is 4 centimeter square. And the third diagram consists of 9 squares. So, the area is 9 centimeter squares and so on. Perimeter. We know that perimeter can be defined as the path or the boundary that surrounds a shape. It can also be defined as the length of the outline of a shape. Now, just look at the triangle. Let us consider the sides of the triangle as A, B, C. How to find the perimeter? Add all the sides of the triangle. So, if the side measurement is 5 centimeter, 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 15 centimeter. Now let us look at some other example. Let us consider a square. The perimeter of the square is nothing but sum of all the 4 sides. The perimeter is nothing but 4 into side. That is perimeter is equal to 4a, where a implies the side. Now let us take a square of side 2 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we are going to learn how to find the area of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a 4-sided shape formed by 2 pairs of parallel lines. Opposite sides are equal in length and opposite angles are equal in measure. To find the area of a parallelogram, multiply the base by the height. The formula to find the area of the parallelogram is base into height. That is, A is equal to B into H, where B means the base and H means the height. Perimeter of the parallelogram. The perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of the length of its sides. You have to add all the 4 sides. Remember that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Exercise 2.1. Find the area and perimeter of the following parallelograms. Look at the first diagram. You are asked to find the area and perimeter for this diagram. For finding the area, you must know the base and height of the parallelogram. The base of the parallelogram is 11 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. We know that a perpendicular line from one vertex to the opposite side is the height of the parallelogram. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units, which is equal to 11 into 3 centimeter square. So 11 threes are 33 centimeter squared. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to 33 centimeter squared. Perimeter of the parallelogram is nothing but sum of 4 sides. Sum of 4 sides means you have to add all the measurements of the 4 sides. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, 11 plus 4 plus 11 plus 4 centimeter, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Look at the next diagram. Base is equal to 7 centimeter. Height is equal to 10 centimeter. Again, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. That is equal to 7 into 10 centimeter square. That is equal to 70 centimeter square. Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of 4 sides. We know that the opposite sides are equal. Therefore, 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter again plus 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. That is equal to 40 centimeter. Find the missing values. Here a table is given and some values are missing. We are going to find the missing values. First sum. Base 18 centimeter, height 5 centimeter. You are asked to find the area of the parallelogram. We know that area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. Here base is 18, height is 5. 18 into 5 centimeter square, that is equal to 90 centimeter square. In the next sum, base is given, area of the parallelogram is given. You are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. Base is equal to 8 meter. Area of the parallelogram is equal to 56 square meter. We know the formula, base into height is equal to 56. Therefore, in the place of B, substitute 8. 8 into H is equal to 56. Therefore, H will be equal to 56 divided by 8. If the multiplication goes to other side, it will become division. What is 56 divided by 8? That is equal to 7. H is equal to 7 meter. Therefore, height is equal to 7 meter. In the next problem, height is given and area of the parallelogram is also given. You are asked to find the base of the parallelogram. Height is equal to 17 millimeter. Area of the parallelogram is equal to 221 millimeter squared. Base into height is equal to 221. Now, instead of H, replace 17. B into H is equal to 221. Again, multiplication goes to other side, become division. Therefore, B is equal to 221 divided by 17. Therefore, base is equal to 13 millimeter. Next, Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. He knows that the area of the trophy is 735 square centimeter and its base is 21 centimeter. What is the height of the trophy? Base is given, area is given. You are asked to find the height of the trophy. We know that the formula to find the area of the parallelogram is base into height square units. Given base is 21 centimeter. Area of the parallelogram is equal to 735 square centimeter. That means base into height is equal to 735. Base 21. So instead of B, just write 21. 21 into H is equal to 735. Therefore, H will be equal to 735 divided by 21, that is equal to 35 centimeter. Therefore, height of the trophy is equal to 35 centimeter. Janagi has a piece of fabric in the shape of a parallelogram. Its height is 12 meter and its base is 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms by cutting the parallel sides through its midpoints. Find the area of each new parallelogram. We want to find the area of each new parallelogram. The base of the big parallelogram is equal to 18 meter. This is divided into 2 parts. So, base of the new parallelogram will be equal to 18 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 meter. Its height is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units, that is equal to 9 into 6 meter square, which is equal to 54 meter square. A ground is in the shape of parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram is 14 meters and the corresponding base is 8 meters longer than its height. Find the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of 15 per square meter. In this problem, first we want to find the base and then we have to find the cost of leveling the ground. For finding the base, it is given that corresponding base is 8 meters longer than its height. Height of the parallelogram is equal to 14 meter. Base is equal to 8 meter longer than height. That is equal to 14 plus 8, which is equal to 22 meter. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. That is equal to 22 into 14 meter square, which is equal to 308 meter square. Cost of leveling 1 meter square is equal to rupees 15. Therefore, the cost of leveling 308 meter square will be equal to rupees 15 into 308. That is equal to rupees 4,620. Therefore, cost of leveling the ground is equal to rupees 4,620.